Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to request money on Cash App in seconds. So here's a quick guide on how to request money on Cash App in seconds. So the first thing you just have to do is launch your Cash App app on your device. It could be your PC, your Mac, your Linux, or your window. Once you do that, then log in your account details if needed. Once you also log in your account, tap on the cash icon, which is the dollar icon on the main screen, then enter the amount you want to request. Once you enter the amount, tap request. After entering the amount, input the recipient's details, which is the recipient's information. It could be the recipient's account details. Then once you do that, add the Cash App tag of your unique Cash App. Use your unique Cash App tag username, add it to it, then your mobile number followed by your email address, add it to it, then you can proceed by request money from the multiple people at once by adding more recipients to the following tag. Then include a reason for the request. So with the request, that can actually convince them to send you the money, because without request they might not accept the request. So sometimes your request can be just to split the dinner bills, or you want to pay for a rent or something. Just make sure you add a reasons for the request of the money. So once you do that, tap on request to confirm. Then you can also allow the recipient to receive the notification with your request. Once you do that, once the recipient will send the money, it will appear in your Cash App balance or link bank account. You can also double check their recipient Cash App tag, phone number, or email address to avoid errors. Be clear and polite in your request note for a fast response. So you just have to put this into consideration whenever you want to request for money. Always be polite, because you are requesting from them, so as if you're giving them. So for them to be able to accept your request by giving you money, you just have to be polite, and that is how you can request money within a second on Cash App. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.